The learning targets for today's lesson are: I can find multiple patterns found on a multiplication table, I can write the prime factorization of a given number, and I can explain the characteristics of a given number, such as prime and composite. Today we are only going to focus on that first target. The rest we will focus on next week. The first slide has directions on it. For the first slide, fill in all the empty spots on the multiplication table with the correct number. There are 10 spots to be filled in. They are bolded in red. For the second slide, write down five patterns you see in the multiplication table. So here's your multiplication table. What you have to do is fill in the 10 boxes that are bolded in red. So for example, this first one that I'm looking at right here is 4 times 2, and you would put that number right there. This other one I am circling is 5 times 6, so you would put that number right there. And you'll type in all 10 of those. And then the last slide, you simply have to write down 5 patterns that you see in the multiplication table, and you'll write them right next to the number here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You do need to find 5 patterns. So looking at this table, what do you notice that the numbers have in common? What do you notice about how it's set up? Just think about 5 different patterns and type them in on this last slide.